Okay, you've stumbled across Ronnys games. I got several things to look at today, but they'll all be divided into single videos. So this first one's gonna be about Deadpool. Part of this series. He's number 2 of 5. Also picked up the Punisher, and that'll be a separate one, but he's 4 of 5. That'll be a separate video just to do on that. But I like Deadpool, and I like this like ice cream truck or food truck casting. So let's take a look at the rest of the cars. The Spider-Mobile, I did a hard pass on that. I was like, no way. And then I got the Deadpool Chimichanga Truck. I saw this Ghost Rider one, but I skipped it. And I picked up the Punisher van. That'll be on a different video. And the Milano, I don't really like that. I mean, it's okay, but it's kind of a spaceship, and it doesn't really fit with anything that I collect. Let's take a look at Deadpool. So this should be all, I think it says on here, it's metal and real riders. So you're getting a nice casting. And I don't remember how much these were, like, they're pretty high, like $4.44 or something like that. Here's a look of Deadpool. All kinds of detail on there. Get a load of this. Cash only, no refunds. Don't like it. Get bit. There's the top of it. Eat it and beat it. I think the other side is very similar. This has this on it, but of course this side is the door, doesn't. And there was something here on the other side. Some of this writing is kind of hard for me, even though hard for me to kind of see some of that. There's a little Deadpool on the front. Let's take a look at the base. You got 2017 Mattel Deadpool Chimichanga Truck, made in Thailand. There's some codes and things. And of course on this you got the real, that's like the rubber tires. There's Deadpool.